After 15 years of riding sport bikes, this is the safest way to learn how to do a wheelie on a sport bike. Wheelie Teach attaches to your sport bike through the rear axle. It has a height adjustment arm with multiple levels for novice and advanced riders. When you're learning to do a wheelie, if you happen to give it too much throttle or too much clutch and your bike starts to come up too fast, the Wheelie Teach, your swing arm comes up and hits the Delrin tip of the Wheelie Teach, which stops your sport bike from flipping backwards. Learn safely. Your bike, our gear. WheelieTeach.com.